and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you the fastest way to train your player to level 30. You can see I've bought a brand new anniversary Aubameyang card, rank 5, and this is his stats. I mean, this video is not really about his stats, but it's about how to train your players faster to level 30. Now I have bought an 83 OBR card, and I'd suggest all of you to buy the same card. This is the 83 OBR GK card, and you can see I've bought plenty of his cards. Now I'm going to rank up his card once. All his cards rank up only once with the same card, not with any dudek cards, but with his own card from the market. I chose this card because it is very cheap. This 83 OBR GK card costs you only 120k coins, and I've bought plenty of these cards so that I can rank him up to green. Now I'll tell you why I'm doing that. I will show you in the video also, but when I have to use one card of this 183 OBR card, when I put him in the training, he gives me only 250 XP. Okay, now you people might be thinking he's ranking up twice, that means he might give him 250 into 200. No, it does not give me 100. It gives me 750 XP, which is a lot. It is more than double. That is why I rank him up to green, do it to all of the cards that I've bought, and now you will see how quick the Aubameyang card goes up to level 30. I don't think I'll rank him up to level 30. I think I'll get it up to 26 because I did not have enough coins at the moment while I was recording the video. But this is the best ways and the easiest ways and the cheapest ways for all of y'all to rank up your cards to level 15, 20, 25, 30. Most of you go for red rank cards, so 25 would not be a problem. You can spend, I think, for you to buy this card, the GK card, and rank up your player to level 25, I think you will have to spend about 20 million in total, or lesser. Sometimes it's only 16 million, sometimes it's 20, sometimes it crosses 20, but I have experienced the maximum that I have spent is only 20 million. And previously I had ranked up one of my players to level 30 and I had spent only 31 million. So it is pretty cheap and really fast to rank up the players. Now you can see I've ranked up most of it. It takes time, you need patience, but you can do it. I can show you now. I'll use the rank up cards on a different player and then use it on Aubameyang, because that way you guys can easily understand how much you'll have to spend and how much you'll have to buy in order to go up to level 30. Now you can see I've purchased an maxed out card right there and have trained him up to 19 levels. Yeah. Okay, now you see I put the, and you can see how many players I've ranked up. Now I choose every, you can see 250 XP and 750 XP. That is what I was talking about, 250 and 750. That is more than 2 times. Now I choose all the cards, everything that I bought, everything that I've ranked up, and you can see he goes up to level 23, and you can see the amount of cards I've used for him to go from level 19 to level 23. There you go. I bought a few more cards so that I can rank him up and show you all. I think this will take him up to at least 26, two more levels, and you can see how much XP we need. 12,000 XP is not a small amount. It's a lot of cards that you need to use as a free-to-play player. So I get him up to level 26. I think I spent about 23 million to get him up to level 26, and now I'll use that card on Aubameyang. So you can see I select that, and he gives me so much XP. Look at how much XP he gives me, and that's that. You can see his pace, his shooting, all the details. I'll show it to you after I rank him, train him. Sorry. And this Aubameyang card is one of the best cards for the heel-to-heel flick in FC Mobile right now. In head-to-head, the heel-to-heel flick, you need to step over, heel-to-heel flick, done, goal. This is his stats. Basically, I trained him up to level 26. If I had enough coins, I would have trained him up to level 30. But it was just for the knowledge for you guys that it is really easy for all of you all to rank up your cards to level 30. And yeah, thank you all for watching, and please make sure to stay on date for more content, and please do subscribe. Thank you.